I'm sure many of you are curious of this so-called money of the future, and due to its increasing recognition and security, the cryptocurrency market looks bright ahead. By the end of this video, you'll certainly know more about cryptocurrency than most people out there. Welcome to this channel, Forex and Cryptocurrency family. My name is Joe, and if you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment down in the comment section below. Let's jump into it. Cryptocurrency basically is a digital version of money where transactions are done online, and it's a medium of exchange just like your normal everyday currency such as the US dollar, but designed for the purpose of exchanging digital information through a process known as cryptography. I've said there that cryptography is a way of exchanging digital information. The first ever successful cryptocurrency emerged from the invention of Bitcoin by Satoshi Nakamoto. This was then followed by the birth of other types of cryptocurrencies competing against Bitcoin. Right now, the demand of Bitcoin is because Satoshi Nakamoto successfully found a way to build a decentralized digital cash system. And what is a decentralized cash system? A decentralized system means that the network is powered by its users without having any third party, central authority, or middlemen controlling it, not the central banks or the government that have power over this system. The problem with a decentralized network is a payment system. Is the so-called double spending. Double spending happens when one entity spends the same amount twice. For instance, when you purchase things online, you have to incur for unnecessary and expensive transaction fees. Usually, this is done by a central server that keeps track of your balances. The medium of exchange is like your everyday currency, that is the US dollar, the Japanese yen, the Great British pound, the Kenya shillings, the euro, and so much more. I'll talk about types of cryptocurrencies. Let me just take you from a level to a higher level. This is where the magic happens. Yeah, let's get into it. Basically, I've told you, Bitcoin is a digital form of gold, which is standard in the cryptocurrency network. And it is the pioneer of blockchain technology that made digital money possible. It is the first ever decentralized peer-to-peer network, as I had said earlier. And its major advantage is that it has over other which has over other cryptocurrencies is the bitcoins are impossible to counterfeit or inflate. Thanks to blockchain technology, you have the ultimate control over your money and transactions without having to go through a third party such as the bank. Yes, that's about Bitcoin. Let me talk about Ethereum to save time. Ethereum was created by a person named as Vitalik Buterin, which has called itself the second spot in the hierarchy of cryptocurrencies. This digital currency, launched in the year 2015, is predicted to surpass Bitcoin and maybe the cryptocurrency of the future. The question I get so many times is Ethereum similar to Bitcoin? It is in a way, but not really. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum is a part of blockchain network. The main difference between the two currencies is that Bitcoin blockchain focuses on tracking ownership of the digital currencies, while Ethereum blockchain focuses on running the program code or network. Instead of having to build an entirely original blockchain for each new application, Ethereum enables the development of thousands of different applications in a single platform. In Ethereum blockchain, miners work to earn Ether, whereby Ether is a crypto token that helps run the network. Another use of Ethereum blockchain is its ability to decentralize any service that are centralized. For example, Ethereum is able to decentralize services like loans provided by banks, online transactions, as well as voting system, and much more. Ethereum is used to build a decentralized autonomous organization, which is called DAO. A DAO is a fully autonomous organization without a leader. DAOs are run by programming codes on a collection of smart contracts written in the Ethereum blockchain. DAO is designed to replace the structure of a traditional organization, and like Bitcoin, eliminating the need for people and a centralized control. Okay, let me talk about the Repo Coin now. The Repo Coin, which is also called XRP, was launched back in the year 2012, and it's co-founded by Larsen and Jed McCaleb. Repo is actually a technology that has a dual function as a digital currencies as well as a digital payment network for financial transaction. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Repo operates on an open space and a peer-to-peer decentralized platform which allows a transfer of money in any form, both fiat and cryptocurrencies. Repo uses a middleman in the currency transaction. The middleman, known as gateway, acts as a link in the network between two parties wanting to make a transaction. XRP acts as a bridge for other currencies which include both fiat and cryptocurrencies. Okay, now let's talk about Litecoin, which was launched back in the year 2011. About Litecoin, it is aspired to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin also recorded the highest market cap of any other mined cryptocurrency after Bitcoin after its launch. The main reason of Litecoin's creation is to make up the Bitcoins lacked. The main difference between Litecoin and Bitcoin is the 2.5 minute time to generate a block for Litecoin as opposed to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. One of the biggest advantages that Litecoin possesses is it can handle a higher volume of transactions thanks to its algorithms. The faster block time also prevents double spending attacks. That's about Litecoin. Let me talk about Monero for a sec. It was launched back in the year 2014, and its main goal was to create an algorithm to add the privacy features that is missing in Bitcoin. Monero invented a system known as the ring signatures to conceal the identity of its senders and recipients. Ring signatures combine a user private account keys with public keys obtained from Monero's XMR blockchain to create a ring of possible signatures that will not allow outsiders to link a signature to a specific user. There are over 400 cryptocurrencies out there, but for today I'll talk about those so that you can learn what the channel is all about. I'll help you traders to become successful traders, know how to trade cryptocurrencies, also know how to trade the foreign exchange, that is the FOREX.